Hello. Welcome back to our channel Natural Recipes. Today, we're going to explore natural remedies for healing gout. Gout is a painful condition that can disrupt your daily life, but there are effective natural ways to manage and heal it. Stay tuned to learn how you can alleviate gout symptoms and improve your quality of life naturally. First, let's understand what gout is and how it affects your body. Gout, a type of arthritis caused by excess uric acid in the blood, leading to the formation of sharp uric crystals in the joints. Common symptoms: sudden and severe joint pain, redness, swelling, and tenderness, often affecting the big toe. Knowing the causes and symptoms of gout can help us tackle it more effectively. Now, let's look at natural remedies to manage gout. Diet plays a crucial role in managing gout. Here are some dietary changes that can help. 1. Reduce purine intake. High purine foods. Avoid red meat, organ meats, shellfish, and certain fish like sardines and anchovies. Low purine alternatives. Opt for lean meats, poultry, and plant-based proteins. 2. Increase hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to help flush out excess uric acid. 3. Limit alcohol, especially beer and spirits, as they can increase uric acid levels. 4. Eat more fruits and vegetables, particularly those high in vitamin C, such as oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers. Implementing these dietary changes can make a significant difference in managing gout. Natural supplements can also support gout management. Here are a few to consider. 1. Cherry extract. Cherries and cherry extract can help reduce uric acid levels and inflammation. 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C supplements can help lower uric acid levels. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish oil. These can help reduce inflammation. 4. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Before starting any new supplement, consult with your healthcare provider to ensure it's safe for you. Herbal remedies have been used for centuries to treat gout. Here are some effective options. 1. Ginger root. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help relieve gout pain. Drink ginger tea or apply a ginger compress to the affected area. 2. Nettle tea. Nettle can help reduce uric acid levels. Drink nettle tea daily to help manage gout symptoms. 3. Dandelion root. Dandelion root can support liver function and help eliminate toxins, including excess uric acid. Incorporating these herbal remedies into your routine can provide additional relief. Lifestyle changes are essential for managing and healing gout. Consider the following. 1. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight can increase uric acid levels and put additional stress on joints. 2. Exercise regularly. Low-impact exercises like walking, swimming, and yoga can help improve overall health without putting strain on joints. 3. Avoid stress. Stress can trigger gout attacks. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or Tai Chi. 4. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to support overall health. These lifestyle changes can significantly impact your gout management. Here are some simple home remedies to alleviate gout symptoms. 1. Cold compress. Apply a cold compress to the affected joint to reduce pain and swelling. 2. Epsom salt bath. Soak in a warm Epsom salt bath to help relax muscles and reduce inflammation. 3. Baking soda. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it to help neutralize uric acid. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it to help reduce uric acid levels. Using these home remedies can provide quick relief from gout symptoms. Recognizing early signs of gout and taking preventive measures can help manage the condition effectively. Early signs: sudden, intense joint pain, redness and swelling, limited range of motion. Prevention tips: follow a low-purine diet, stay hydrated, maintain a healthy weight, avoid alcohol and sugary drinks. Being proactive can help prevent gout flare-ups and improve your overall health. Managing and healing gout naturally is possible with the right approach. By making dietary changes, incorporating natural supplements and herbal remedies, adopting a healthier lifestyle, and using home remedies, you can significantly reduce gout symptoms. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedies. Take care of your health, and see you in the next video.